React is all about components. Everything in React is component. Make sense? No? Why don't we create one ourselves? Let's do that. Let me bring this class component back. All this code you see here is JS6, which looks exactly like HTML. Yes, it is JS6. JS6 is a mixture of HTML and JavaScript. It's pretty easy. It's just like writing HTML, plus we get to mix JavaScript. Let me get rid of all this. Now let's try creating a variable and render in JSX. On top, create a variable called paragraph. And let's use this variable inside this div. We do that by putting it inside curly braces. All the JavaScript logic you will write in JSX must be inside curly braces. Save and the browser updates. Great! We can wrap this in H1 as well. Remember, this is JSX. Mix the HTML and JavaScript. Let me take this opportunity to introduce you to the let keyword, which is yet another ES6 feature. This is exactly as same as saying var. I think it's a bit fancier than var. Let's create another variable named Ryan. And let's render. Great, we have been writing some React code here inside app.js, which is being imported in index.js. Why don't we go straight to index.js and play around a bit? Back to index.js. Let's create a variable para. Let's create a hello component and extend React component. You can use dot component or import component on top. Here, we can use render function. When you are working with classes, always make sure to write all your JSX inside return brackets. Very important. Let's use this para variable. And don't forget to update the component name from app to hello. Notice a capital letter and a closing tag with slash. That is the standard. Let me put it inside H2.